I don't see this as a home. It's not a family home. It's not built like a home. It's living in an art piece. Hello, I'm Eva Claessens. I'm a Belgian artist. France has always felt like a second home. And it was during the lockdown that I had a dream about a place in France, and that brought me back as soon as I could travel again. And I found this total ruin that ended up being this 10th century tower. Inside you had sand on the floor, you had broken roof, and just you could see the sky. So the decision to purchase the house is nothing to do with rationality. I just had a vision. It had to become something. I wanted this place to feel like a piece of harmony. The feel of the home is very fluid. There were a lot of skylights made. There is almost no doors, a lot of openings that invite the light, but also invite you to be just in one big space. I didn't follow a plan. I followed the daily advances and corrected them like I would do with a sculpture that I'm making or a painting. About the budget for the house, a lot was done with my own hands. I designed everything myself, but I had help from an amazing team, a dream team, to do all the practical and the heavy work. It's all brothers and cousins from Morocco who are based in France. It was really a collaboration. My best friend Julian Lennon, who is an amazing artist, I gave him kind of carte blanche because he had a vision on the bedroom. He made a print for it to make it really dreamy. We created a circle window in the inside wall, actually, from the dressing to the room. The renovation was to express or to live the way I also make my art. It's all about emotions, moments in time, nothing static. So furniture that changes, I add things, I make things, I remove things. I can even add a little wall or remove a little wall. I just create, and this place has been created to be creative. So every single moment is part of that.